where faces blend into the gray. Another day begins, the hustle doesn't fade away. A cardboard sign, a weary soul, a story left untold in the heart of the city where dreams are bought and sold. It's just another day in the city lights, where shadows dance and the neon ignites in the silence of the streets where the lost reside. Searching for a glimpse of hope in the tears they hide. On every corner, echoes of 1,000 lives. Beneath the surface, where every heartbeat strives. A mother's prayer, a child's cry, echoes through the night in the city's heart, where hope still fights the fight. It's just another day in the city lights, where shadows dance and the neon ignites in the silence of the streets where the lost reside. Searching for a glimpse of hope in the tears they hide. In the alleys and the avenues where dreams collide, a stranger's smile, a helping hand breaking through the divide. In the heart of the city where angels dare to tread.